welcome to the channel, welcome to another video. It is 10 to 4 in the morning, 10 to 4 in the AM, and it's a beautiful, glorious day. Look at this, blue skies. It is already, dare I say it, feeling mild and looking dry for the day ahead. Here's the broom wagon, everybody's getting all their food inside and everything else for the weekend ahead. Spares, mechanical stuff, we're all ready to go. Going to be doing a, well, I say we're all ready to go. There's a couple of us, there's a few of us who haven't showed up yet. Still got time, we've got 10 minutes. So we're looking forward to getting out there and having a good time. So it's coming to, let's call it the first feed station, Boston. Well, the weather is gorgeous. It has clouded over a little bit, which is good, because it means it's keeping that temperature down. It's supposed to be about 27 later on. So the longer they stay away, the better. Oh, that looks good, isn't it? Let's have a close look at that mug as well. What's that one? La Flash Mine, I don't know. Hello Rider. Ah, that is a cool mug, I like that. I've gone for the protein peach.
Oh, there we go. Put them in every moment.
What are you going for?
What am I going for? I'm going to go for some pasta.
Oh, nice. Oh yeah, look at this picnic.
Carb on carb.
Nearly done. We just had our first mechanical of the day. Or having our first mechanical of the weekend.
Professionally fixed.
Yeah, that was quick.
Vegan burger.
Pizza. We're just passed through Sutton Bridge on the way to Crowland next, the third place where the van is stopping throughout this ride. Halfway through today, heading towards Tide Gate now, and Crowland. Lots of flat coming up as we head towards, well, the first stop of hills near Beaver, and then from there towards Grantham. It's going to be a long weekend. Finally made it to the next checkpoint, whatever you like to call it, van stop, spa in Crowland, and it's proper time for lunch. So I can put pie, some garlic, filled olive filled like with like garlics and shit. Go in there, grab coffee, not coffee, Coke. 1:30, well, 100k to go to reach tonight's B&B, so pretty good time. Heading out of Crowland towards Stamford and the beginning of the hills. Enjoying this Lincolnshire border ride. 100 kilometres to go. Everybody's feeling good, I think. We only had one incident. Well, 2 or 3 maybe. We've had a puncture. We've had a couple of falls, but they're just minor things, you know. But all good, happy days. The sun is not broiling us. It's been quite cloudy up to now. So, yeah, hopefully it will remain a bit overcast. Don't know what tomorrow's going to be like. Hopefully more of the same. How are we at the back?
Very good. Yeah, all good.
Feeling good, feeling great.
Compared to the distance today.
Yeah.
Everybody's happy.
You might recognise the furniture. We are at McDonald's, Golden Arches. Kim's been enjoying. What milkshake you had? Vanilla?
No,
Coke. Oh, don't mind if I do, thank you, Dawn. Oh, lovely. This cake, Dawn made, is absolutely fantastic. So we've all nicely refreshed. I've had a Coke and banana milkshake. It was the best banana milkshake in the world, I can tell you. Oh. Yeah. So we're 26k from the B&B. Got 15 minutes to get there. But got a meal at 9 o'clock. Got just a little bit less than 2 hours to get there. 26 miles, so get there in plenty of time. So we're nearing the end of day 1 of this Lincolnshire Borders ride, circumnavigating the county of Lincolnshire, second biggest county here in the UK. Going off the Vale Beaver shortly and heading down past the engine shed away towards Bottisford, and yeah, it's all flat after that point to Staunton-le Vale, Staunton-le something. That's the B&B, the Manor Hall, I think it is. So we're going to get down there. Apparently there's a hot tub if there's time, because we're going to get there about 8:45, I think. So maybe 3/4 hour later than originally hoped for. I say planned, but it's always hoped for. You're never quite sure on these long distance things how it really is going to turn out. There's some food awaiting us when we get there. Steak and ale pie, yummy. Looking forward to that. I was behaved at the McDonald's and just got some liquids. So yeah, looking forward to some proper food.
Well done, guys.
Morning everyone, welcome to the cottage here at Staunton Arms. As you can see, it's in a state of, well, should I show you around? So we've got bikes everywhere. Cottage, if you want to book it, it sleeps 25. No, we've had a few rooms together and just chucked all the bikes in. God, I'm so groggy this morning. I am dehydrated, but still. So here's the bikes. Have a quick look around. So we've got a B twin, I think. It says underneath that. No, it's not. It's a Giants. Two Fossey. That one's Angela's. We've got Cars Ridley. We've got a. I'm not sure what that one is. We've got mine. Lots of bikes. So we're just about to head out in a few minutes time. We're running a little bit behind, of course, and get on the bike again. It's looking to be a beautiful day. No cloud this morning. It's going to be hot. Right, the sun's rising. Let's get out there. Morning.
Morning.
This is Kim. She's been enjoying the hot tub this morning.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Don't come up as a notification.
We got up at 3:30
God.
and went in it.
How good is that? As you can see, we're running a little bit behind.
Morning, Richard.
Good morning, you alright?
The key's in the door up there.
Ah, there's my bag. Morning, Alan. You alright? Ready to go for another day?
Yeah, no problem.
Good.
Riding home today.
Yeah. Hi Connor, driver over there, thanks very much. Oh, no time for the hot tub for me. Bung that in there. Right, let's go.
I think it was 7:30.
It is a super duper morning. Absolutely stunning. So I've got about 210 kilometres to do today. Stopping off at Barton, that's where I'm going to make the split. We've got a couple of stops this morning. First is a van stop at, where are we stopping first? I can't remember. Oh, Donington Hall. Bike shop won't be open just yet. And then we've got, I don't know if it's going to be open either, the coffee shop at Misterton, the pantry. It's more than a coffee shop, it is. Cafe kind of thing. So maybe that'll be open by the time I get there, who knows. So we've just stopped for the first van stop of the day. I think Wisby Woods, I think it was. So I've got the van just coming back down the road because we've been, during this weekend, we've been doing a bit of little spots on BBC Radio Lincolnshire to raise awareness of the charity Naomi's Garden. That charity that provides conducive education for adults and children with such diseases and afflictions, that word, like Parkinson's disease and other debilitating illnesses. So we've raised £1,800 worth towards charity at the moment. If you want to give a few pounds, I'll stick a link down below to the Just Giving page if you've got a couple of quid. The charity will be so grateful. Put a few quid in there. Right, I'm just about to get to the van, top up some water, have a bit more food, just chill out here at the woods. Maybe we'll go for a walk because we're here at the woods. This is the Picksworth's Plot Cross Country Trail. Has the Cookie Monster got cookies?
Ah, need them.
You enjoying it then, Mark? How's the legs feeling?
Rough.
Yeah. Arms, fingers,
Hands.
yeah.
They're the worst.
Yeah. What sort of gloves do you got on, Mark? Let's do a compare. So you got kind of, oh, the padding here is quite, oh, that's actually not too bad, is it? I tend to run with these ones, quite thick, just to absorb the road buzz, you know. Because the end of your tips your fingers, I bet, as well. What are they feeling like?
Not too bad, it's just here.
Yeah, on the palms where it's the contact. Yeah. Oh, I think the van's coming.
With my cookies.
With Mark's cookies.
Well, just get tucked in and keep ticking over.
It's not going to make me poorly. I've gone off cheeses.
So we've just got to the next stop, a cycle barn at the Pantry 8020. All our nice cups of coffees and lattes and things. And we're ready to hit the road again. Get to the next place. I think we're stopping at Barton. I think that's the idea. Let's get moving. So, what we thought to riding around Lincolnshire. How is it? How are you feeling?
All right. Yeah.
Oh,
Part.
Good.
Big part.
Apart from dodging the potholes, obviously.
Yeah, I know.
Taking us down some terrible roads.
Weather's been fantastic though, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Part.
It's getting very warm now.
Yep. We've got nice tailwind. The next few miles. Happy days. So we're just heading on down Idle Bank. Oh, 7k of it. Brilliant tailwind though. But we discovered moments ago that the wind is coming from off the coast, easterly. So we're going to turn at some point at the top beyond Kroll, and it's probably going to be a little bit tricky along there, I think. So tempted to go home though, it's like 2 miles from home, but it's just a beautiful day to ride a bike, so I should just keep on going. by myself now, and I've just literally caught the edge of a storm. I only need to get me maybe 400 metres up there, and I'd have probably got away, but who knows? Bus shelter here, going into refuge. Anyway, yeah, stopped at Barton. The guy in the van gave me a lift back to Scunthorpe because I had issues yesterday. The bottom bracket had gone. Basically, I was going pelting down a hill, and suddenly there was loads of pebbles in the middle. I was trying to dodge a deer, and pebbles jumped up onto the bike. The bottom bracket was dodgy anyway. Well, there you go, folks. Hope you enjoyed that video. It's actually future me now, all the way into November. I actually forgot about this video. Naughty me, that's the first time I forgot about a video in, well, since forever. So I finally got to editing it in the last couple of weeks, bringing it all together. And then I discovered that really abrupt ending, just like you, and I was like, I've got to sort this out, and it's kind of add a little bit more information to it. So the picture froze, and then the battery died. But if I just talk about the hours leading up to that, well, actually the 2 days prior, the day before the Lincolnshire border ride in Louth, I actually cycled all the way to the Louth, which was probably about 4 or 5 hours on a Friday from work. So I figured I wouldn't do a full circle, I'd just kind of finish a little bit earlier before everybody else. So I finished in Barton, and then because of the bottom bracket issues I was having, the van driver kindly drove me to Scunthorpe to my bike mechanic, and he got that bottom bracket replaced. Just happened to have a bottom bracket in stock. So after that I'm done, I'd cycled the remaining distance back home. Unfortunately, the battery had died at that point, so there was no footage to be had. I'll pop a link down below this video to Naomi's Garden, the charity that was all raising money for. Feel free to hit that link and put a donation in. Right, I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you was riding with me back in June, again, I'm really sorry I finally got the video out. I'm really pleased to have got the video put together, and hope you enjoy it. That's it from me, folks. Again, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.